A pair of business owners on State Street know firsthand what problems excessive drinking can bring, and now medical professionals say it's costing the state billions of taxpayer dollars.
Wisconsin has long been known for its drinking, but it's a problem costing the state and taxpayers billions of dollars. At least that's what a new report finds.
News 3's Dannika Lewis has a breakdown of the numbers. And Dannika, what does the research show?
Well, pretty astonishing numbers here, actually. It estimates the price tag for excessive drinking in the state to be at $6.8 billion. And Dane County is on the forefront of that spending. Sorting knickknacks and assembling earrings, the Comey sisters have made their living in their State Street gift shop.
I think all of us profit from the fact that it's not just a place where people go to drink.
Laura and Sachi want to make sure downtown stays that way, hoping the city continues to limit how many businesses can serve booze.
What if State Street were to become the Bourbon Street of the Midwest?
Comey was the lone entrepreneur in a row of medical and law-minded people, all adding up the cost of alcohol in Wisconsin.
We cannot afford to continue down this path.
It's a path that costs the state $6.8 billion a year, all from excessive alcohol use. According to the study, about $2.9 billion of that comes out of the taxpayers' pockets. That's, of course, not counting the lives lost to the problem.
Changing our culture is hard. It will be difficult. But the cost to stand idly by on the sidelines is far too great.
The report ranks Dane second in the state for alcohol-related spending, costing almost $655 million across the county. Rock comes in eighth with a $198 million total. Dane is only behind Milwaukee County for binge drinking, and when you break it down, the study shows the cost of Dane County's excessive drinking equals out to more than $1,300 per resident.
We share the burden of alcohol in Wisconsin, so it's time we do something about it.
The group wants stronger rules for serving minors, sobriety checks, and a raise in alcohol taxes. While those ideas make their way to lawmakers, the Comeys push for a better view of their street, one that's not linked to drinks.
This is an existing perception. I think it's a misperception.
Now, another interesting stat here. In 2011, the state collected about $69 million from alcohol taxes. This report says that accounts for less than 1% of those excessive drinking costs. And we are talking about, guys, as you probably know, some suggestions out there, raising alcohol taxes, legalizing sobriety checks, things that the state legislators haven't been so pushy or pushed through necessarily here.
But when they were compiling the numbers, how did they come up with those costs?
The researchers looked at a lot of things here, everything from what law enforcement is spending to tackle drinking issues, to loss of productivity in the workplace, to healthcare costs, even putting a price tag on premature death. So a lot of different factors in play here. We do have a link to the full report on channel3000.com.
All right, Dannika Lewis, thanks.
Thanks, Dannika.